everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. Lately I have been playing with various eyeshadow palettes and I have created this wonderful colorful look today. So without further delay, let's begin. I'll first prime my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow primer base. This will ensure that all the bright colors pop and we get maximum color payoff from the eyeshadows. I'll use the Colourpop Smokes and Roses palette and pick the shade alone with a fluffy blending brush and apply it all over my eyelids, and I'll blend it towards the brow bone. Next, I'll take the shade Angel Eyes and apply it on the outer corner and the crease in gentle dabbing motion. I'll blend out the outer edges towards the brow bone in circular motion. With the dense shader brush, I'll take the shade This Guy and apply it in the outer corner of my eyelids and blend it. From the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette, I'll take the purple shade Girlies with a dense shader brush and apply it in the outer half of my eyelids. I'll blend the crease with a blending brush. Then with a flat brush, I'll take the blue shade Bacchanal and apply it in the inner corner of my eyelid. This shade has a lot of fallout, so we will come back to it later. I'll go back and forth with the two shades to intensify the colors. With a fluffy blending brush, I'll take the shade Angel Eyes from the Colourpop palette and blend the crease for a smooth transition. Next, I'll take an angle brush and take the purple shade Girlies and apply it close to my waterline. Then with a pencil brush, I'll take the shade Angel Eyes and blend it outwards. I'll take the shimmer shade I Love with my fingers and dab it all over my eyelids. I'll also apply the shade in the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'll draw a thick wing liner with the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes eyeliner and also draw the inner corner V of my eye. Then I'll add some black gel liner to my waterline. I have used the Inglot AMC gel liner. I'll blend the gel liner with a pencil brush for a seamless look. Now I'll clean the fallout from the blue eyeshadow under my eyes with a wet tissue and apply some concealer with a dense concealer brush. I'll set the under eye with some loose powder. I already have a video on how to hide under eye dark circles. You can check the video out. I'll leave the link in the info cards above and in the caption box. Lastly, I'll apply some highlighter to my brow bone and finish the look with some mascara and false lashes. Here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment below what eyeshadow tutorial you would like to see from me. And I'll see you all next time.